Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to get paid for your older articles on medium.com. Watch this video all the way to the end as I give you the step-by-step guide on how to get paid for your older articles on Medium. So if you are excited and ready to learn more about this process, then let's get straight into the value of today's video without wasting too much of your time. Make sure all of your articles are metered so that you can earn money after you join the Medium Partner Program. As soon as I was accepted into the program, I thought, would my older articles make money? I checked to see if they were metered, but to my surprise, they said they weren't. I looked around for a while, but I couldn't find step-by-step instructions. So I chose to figure out what was going on, and I did. I knew right away that making a video like this could help other people who had the same question I did. So here are my step-by-step instructions to help you get paid for your older articles once you are accepted into the Medium Partner Program. I hope it's clear and to the point. If you have any problems, please let me know. So step 1, click on stories on your Medium homepage. Step 2, go to your published stories and click the 3 dots next to each one. You have to do this one story at a time. Step 3, click the 3 dots in the upper right corner to open the menu. Step 4, click on meter settings. And for the last step, this will show you the box for meter your story. Make sure it's checked off in green and you are ready to go. If you follow these steps, everything you write will be counted after you join the program and you can make money on each article. Remember that you have to do this manually and for each story. So you have to follow the same steps for each one. So keep writing, folks. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips shared in this video to get to the value I just shared with you. Don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions concerning how to get paid for your older articles on medium.com. If you are new to this channel, don't also forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. So make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you later.